to my channel, Rachel Reviews. This is like the first time I've kind of talked today, so yay for my voice. We have a FabFitFun unboxing, and it's the fall box. Look at her, who is she? Yes, FabFitFun, here we go. We are drinking coffee today with some frothed oat milk with my frother from my winter FabFitFun box, I think. If you haven't seen that one, I'll put it over here. I think it's over there. There's a little link. I'll link it. It was a fun little frother, so that's fun. I swear that vanilla oat milk, I think it's by Chobani, or oat creamer. It tastes like the marshmallows from Lucky Charms. That's what it tastes like. Alright, we're getting into the box. If you haven't tried FabFitFun before and you'd like to, I'll leave a little referral link down below and you get $10 off your first box. So they're usually $49.99, so it would make it $39.99 for you to try. And you get 6 items in the box. If I can open her up. These are always so haphazard. Here they give you a little magazine with The Joy of Discovery, Fall 2022. Just like little things in there. They used to put all the products in here, but now they just do that on the app. So I did take screenshots of my stuff, but it like tells you how to use some of the things in there. There's recipes, there's all kinds of stuff. It's kind of nice. You can also add on add-ons. You can add on add-ons to your box. And I did. I always get this in every box. It's the Living Proof Dry Shampoo, Perfect Hair Day, PhD. That's like in their refreshers. You can add like certain things. So I always get that. I also always pick out some of the Spongelet body buffers because I freaking love these. You don't have to put any like body wash on them. It's all in the little buffer. It's really awesome. And then this time I did add on the Living Proof Full Root Lift. So I wanted to try that because I feel like my hair is getting thinner in my 30s and I don't like it. Anyway, so this was, I got it for $13. It's originally $29. This is, it says originally $30. I got it for $11 because there's two different body buffers in here. And then this is, it was $10.80. It doesn't give me like the manufacturer price. I can't talk today. It's fine. Anyway, or refills. They call it refills, these ones. Okay, so first up, I'm just gonna grab out of the box. We have, oh, I was excited for this. Okay, it is it's like a, not crochet, cross stitch kit. I wanted to try that. So I thought that was really cool. It's the Craft Crush and Cloud Nola bundle. It's a bundle, so there's something else here too, not for this. The bundle is $65. Manufacturer suggested retail price. I can't talk. Anyway, it's cross stitch. And it came with, it was like a bundle. So it was 2 items, was like your final choice. And it came with this little clock. It's an LED. I took the time to set it. So it's August night. It was August 19th as I'm filming it. For some reason it's in Celsius. We'll figure it out. But you can have it like rotate. It's like, look how sleek that is. So you can have it go through the weather and the date and the time, or you can just have it on as the time all the time, which is what I'll probably do because I usually know what day it is. So that's pretty neat. And the cross stitch I'm excited for anyway. So it's $65. Create your own modern embroidered floral art. The pre-printed design looks great no matter what, and we love how you can add a few stitches to personalize it. So there is a design already on there. Maybe I'll do that this weekend because it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to be rainy. So let's see. Yeah, so there's a design. So you put that in the hoop, I think, and then you stitch through it. So it would look kind of like that. I think it's kind of fun. And it's just a little guy. Maybe I could hang it on the wall or something when I'm done. When we finally renovate the rooms up here. Yay! It'll happen. Okay, let's go to the next thing. Next we have some earrings. And do I need earrings? No. Do I want them? Yeah. And I thought they were really cute. These are also, they say $65. Gold hoops will never go out of style. We love this variation. It has a drop oval style, perfect for dressing up a white tee or accenting a little black dress. These earrings will be your go-to pair for day or night. Nickel free. Good. So they're just some little hoops. I doubt they're $65. Maybe, you know, because it's not like they're pure gold. No, they wouldn't be pure gold if they're advertising them as nickel free. But let's see. So they just kind of pull apart and hook. So I thought they would just be really nice and simple. You can't even see because I got these big honkers in. But just like really nice, simple. I could even put them in like my second hole there, which would actually be really cute. Yeah, for just day to day, I'm all about trying to be simpler, I guess. I don't know. Those are $65. I said that. And then we have is a lip balm, I think. Let me see. I took screenshots of all the items, but you know what? I'm not gonna do it. Glossier, balm.com, lip balm, $12. The name says it all with this product. Balm.com. I can talk. From Glossier is incredible. It's hydrating, moisturizing, and never sticky. This birthday scent is reminiscent of dessert, so you'll smell sweet all day long. Female-founded company, by the way. It looks pretty. I have my lip stuff on, which this is also Maybelline, and it's in like a square tube, and it doesn't come off. Just like my other ones, except this one is like shiny. So they made it into like a glossy version of the matte version that I would usually always wear. This is thick. I am squeezing this and it is, oh my god, it smells so good. But this is thick, like look at that indent in the tube I had to squeeze. But it smells really good. I'm excited to wear that. It doesn't feel sticky on my hand. That's good. I'm usually not like a balm person, but I still have to wear masks at work and everything. So that might be good under the mask because it gets, you know, gets gross in there. I was really excited for this one. Okay, I know these ones take a little long, these FabFitFun videos, but like, I was really excited. This is $19.95. It is the vegetable chopper. Have you seen these on like TikTok and stuff? It's like a little bowl and it has like a pull cord and then it just like chops your stuff for you. I'm so excited. Small, so it kind of has like a little thing on the side of the things you should chop and the things you shouldn't chop. So like potatoes, meat, eggplant, pumpkin stuff, it says no, or meat with bones I should say. It does have a meat symbol for yes over here, so maybe like skinless, boneless, skinless chicken breast or something. Onions, tomatoes, peppers, carrots, avocado, pickles, cucumbers, all kinds of things. I'm so excited! And it's just a little one, it's a mini one. But it says, chopping your veggies for making salsa, meal prepping, or just daily cooking has never been easier. This chopper makes it so simple with easy cleanup and easy transport for a mess-free kitchen. I should have, you know, I should have been in infomercials. I freaking love infomercials. Do they even have those anymore? My favorite one, and my sister-in-law, Mallory's favorite one too, was for the miracle, the magic bullet. And they would make like pesto pasta and things like that. Look how cute that is. It has little blades inside. Who doesn't love a good blade? Oh shoot, you guys, watch. I'm so excited, oh my god. I'm so excited, I'm gonna use that tonight. Oh, I'm jazzed. That just made my heart flutter. Okay, I gotta calm down. Next we have this hat. You know, what fall wouldn't be complete without a floppy frickin' hat? Am I right? It's felt, it's too, do you think it's too big? Maybe I just need to play with it. I don't know, I thought I'd try. This was one of the options. ASN hats, the Harper hat, valued at $68. The Harper floppy hat features ASN staple braided design inspired by their classic boater hats. The body of the hat is made of soft felt material. We love how darling it looks on absolutely anyone. Absolutely. Female founded. We'll try it. Maybe I'll, you know, it's cute. It's cute. I think I just need to put it with an outfit, you know what I mean? Like, my tank top today is not very fall, but it's still warm out. I'm hoping to get in the pool today as I'm filming this. So there's that. Next we have the Living Proof full shampoo and full conditioner. It adds fullness and volume because, as I said, I feel like my hair is getting thinner and I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I wanted to try this because I do really like their dry shampoo that I get every box. So this was one of the options as well. And I'm gonna find $60. So I assume each one is like $30, you know. Lightweight shampoo engineered to gently cleanse without stripping hair, leaving it fuller, softer, and shinier. Color safe, silicone free, and sulfate free. I assume the conditioner says the exact same thing except a lightweight conditioner, which it does as I'm reading it on the back. So I'm excited about those. I did just buy some like shampoo and conditioner before like the pickings for the box came out. So I want to go through that first and then I'll be trying that. And then last but not least, oh wait, here's a little free sample they put in of Lumify. You can buy it over the counter. My work had gotten it as samples as well. It makes your whites of your eyes brighter. It works. It works fine. Last, I am excited about this too. I'll have to set this up today. It is, I'm trying not to throw things away. It's a resistance band, basically, and then it comes with, it's the Fit Plan 3-in-1 resistance band kit and 3-month app subscription. So that's valued at $67.97. So if I like it, I can keep up with it or I can cancel it after 3 months. Get 3 times the resistance with the Fit Plan resistance band kit. We love how this set is great for any type of workout since it includes 3 bands in progressive intensities that can be adjusted for your perfect fit. 90 days of free unlimited access to the complete library of Fit Plan workouts, plans, recipes, and programs. So pretty cool. And it comes with the light resistance band, which is 20 pounds, which is the blue one, medium, pink, 30 pounds, heavy, green, 40 pounds. I don't even know if I can do the light one, to be honest, but let's open it up and see. I'm not gonna be able to get him back in this bag. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah. So you just, okay. Things are falling. It's fine. Look how cute. That's pretty cute. So this is the light, this is the medium resistance, and this is, oh yeah, that's the heavier one. So obviously I'll start off on the light one, but I was excited about that. It has little foam grips. And then something fell over there. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll have to figure out how to do that. So that's our box. That's the box. This box, the fall box. I don't know if there's anything really specifically fall in it, but sometimes they put like blankets and like shawls and stuff that are supposed to be fallish, and that's just not my style. I mean, I like blankets, but so the total box value is $357.92. Okay, sure. Well, like the shampoos and all that stuff I can see. But yeah, I think I'm really just most excited about this little guy and the cross stitch. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to try FabFitFun, my referral link's down below, as well as all my other referral links for all the other boxes I do. And I'm gonna go see if I can figure out those resistance bands. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.